When you change the way you look at things, the things you look at change. Wayne Dyer. Imagine a single spark in the darkness. That spark is hope. It can ignite a fire within, a fire that burns away sadness and fear. For many people, yoga is that spark. Yoga is an ancient practice that can bring peace to your mind and body. It helps you find balance and strength both inside and out. If you're struggling with depression or anxiety, know that you are not alone. Millions of people around the world face these challenges. Yoga offers a gentle and effective path to healing. It can be your companion on the journey to emotional well-being. Yoga is not a magic cure, but it is a powerful tool. It can help you manage your emotions, calm your mind, and find inner peace. Like a tiny seed growing into a strong tree, yoga can help you grow stronger and more resilient. Let's explore how this ancient practice can bring more joy, peace, and balance into your life. Together, we will uncover the many ways yoga can help you find your own inner spark. Yoga is more than just physical exercise. It is a holistic approach to well-being. It encompasses breathing techniques, meditation, and ethical principles that guide you towards a more mindful and fulfilling life. Through controlled breathing, you can learn to manage stress and anxiety, bringing a sense of calm and clarity to your mind. Meditation, a core component of yoga, allows you to connect with your inner self, fostering a deeper understanding and acceptance of who you are. As you progress in your practice, you may find that yoga not only transforms your body, but also your mind and spirit. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced yogi, the journey of yoga is a personal one, filled with continuous learning and growth. So unroll your mat, take a deep breath, and embark on this transformative journey. Yoga awaits you with open arms, ready to guide you towards a more balanced and harmonious life. How can yoga make such a difference? The answer lies in the way it affects both your body and your mind. When you practice yoga, you are not just stretching. You are releasing tension that builds up from stress and anxiety. This tension can manifest as tight muscles, headaches, and difficulty sleeping. Yoga helps to gently release this tension, leaving you feeling more relaxed and at ease. But yoga's benefits go beyond the physical. Yoga incorporates deep breathing exercises. These breathing techniques have been shown to calm the nervous system, reducing feelings of anxiety and panic. Deep breathing sends a message to your brain that it's time to relax. Yoga also encourages mindfulness, which is the practice of paying attention to the present moment without judgment. When you focus on your breath and your body during yoga, you become more aware of your thoughts and feelings. This awareness can help you to better manage negative emotions and cultivate a sense of inner peace. You don't need to be flexible or athletic to start practicing yoga. Yoga is for everyone, regardless of age, body type, or fitness level. It's a practice that meets you where you are and helps you grow from there. There are many simple poses that are perfect for beginners. These poses are designed to be accessible and provide a solid foundation for your practice. Here are a few to get you started. Child's pose or balasana. This pose is a gentle way to ease into your practice. This restful pose gently stretches the back and hips, releasing tension and calming the mind. It's a moment of surrender and relaxation. It's a great pose to begin and end your practice with. Starting with child's pose helps you center yourself, and ending with it allows you to reflect on your practice. Next we have cat-cow pose or marjaryasana to bidalasana. This dynamic movement is excellent for warming up the body. This flowing sequence of movements warms up the spine and releases tension in the neck and shoulders. It's a wonderful way to start your day or prepare for more intense poses. It's a wonderful way to improve posture and flexibility while connecting with your breath. Mountain pose or tadasana is another essential pose. This foundational pose improves posture, balance, and body awareness. It teaches you to stand tall and grounded. It may seem simple, but it helps to ground you and connect you to the present moment. It's a reminder to be present and mindful. Downward facing dog, or Adho Mukha Svanasana, is another key pose. This invigorating pose strengthens the arms, shoulders, and legs, while stretching the entire back of the body. It's a full-body experience that energizes and revitalizes. It's a great pose to relieve stress and fatigue. Holding this pose for a few breaths can help you feel more centered and calm. It's about listening to your body and moving in a way that feels good for you. Each practice is unique, and it's important to honor where you are each day. Start slowly, be patient with yourself, and enjoy the journey. Yoga is a lifelong practice that evolves with you, offering endless opportunities for growth and self-discovery. Meet Emily, finding light through downward dog. Emily, a young woman who worked as a graphic designer, knew the feeling of anxiety all too well. Her days were filled with tight deadlines, demanding clients, and the constant pressure to be creative on demand. The pressures of her job and the constant deadlines left her feeling overwhelmed and exhausted. She often found herself working late into the night, her mind racing with thoughts of unfinished projects and looming deadlines. She tried different ways to cope with the stress, but nothing seemed to work. Meditation, deep breathing exercises, even long walks in the park, all provided temporary relief. But the anxiety always crept back. One day, a friend invited her to a yoga class. Emily was skeptical, thinking it would be just another failed attempt at finding peace. Emily was hesitant at first, but she decided to give it a try. She walked into the studio, feeling unsure and out of place but determined to see it through. As she moved through the poses, she felt a sense of calm wash over her. The gentle flow of the movements and the focus on her breath began to quiet her mind. She noticed that her mind, usually racing with thoughts, began to quiet down. For the first time in a long while, she felt a sense of peace and clarity. Emily continued to practice yoga regularly. She made it a part of her daily routine, finding time each day to step onto her mat and connect with herself. She found that the more she practiced, the more resilient she became to stress. The challenges of her job didn't disappear, but she felt better equipped to handle them. Yoga became her sanctuary, a place where she could quiet her mind and reconnect with her inner strength. It was a space where she could let go of her worries and simply be. The physical benefits were undeniable: improved flexibility and strength. She found herself standing taller, moving with more grace, and feeling stronger in her body. But it was the mental and emotional benefits that truly transformed her life. She felt more balanced, more centered, and more at peace with herself. Emily's story is a testament to the power of yoga to help us navigate life's challenges with more grace and ease. Through her practice, she found a way to not only cope with stress, but to thrive in the face of it. More than poses, breathing and mindfulness. Yoga is much more than just the physical postures. It's a holistic practice that encompasses breathwork, meditation, and mindfulness. Breathing exercises, known as pranayama in Sanskrit, are a key component of yoga. Deep, conscious breathing has a profound effect on the nervous system. It helps to slow down the heart rate, lower blood pressure, and reduce the production of stress hormones. Mindfulness, the practice of paying attention to the present moment without judgment, is another important aspect of yoga. When you practice yoga with mindfulness, you become more aware of your thoughts, feelings, and sensations. This awareness allows you to observe your emotions without getting swept away by them. Yoga, a lifelong companion for mental wellness. The beauty of yoga is that it's a lifelong practice. As you continue to explore yoga, you'll discover new layers to its depth and richness. You might find yourself drawn to different styles of yoga, each offering its own unique benefits. Remember that consistency is key when it comes to experiencing the transformative benefits of yoga. Even practicing for a few minutes each day can make a world of difference in your mental and emotional well-being. Yoga is not a destination but a journey of self-discovery. It's about cultivating a deeper connection with yourself, learning to listen to your body's wisdom, and finding inner peace amidst life's challenges. Embrace the journey and allow yoga to be your guide. Unroll your mat and begin. Your journey awaits. Your journey to a calmer, more joyful you can begin today, right now. Unroll your mat and take that first step towards inner peace and tranquility. Remember, yoga is a precious gift you give yourself. Every breath, every movement is a step towards a happier, healthier you. Namaste.